Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your Adobe Firefly account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type firefly.adobe.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Adobe Firefly. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided, and at the very top you can also generate images from right here. What we want to do right now is simply sign in to our Adobe Firefly account. At the very top of the navbar, you will see something like sign in. It's next to the join the Discord button. Simply click on sign in button right here. Now a pop-up like this will open up. You can sign in using your Google ID, Facebook ID, Apple ID, or also using your Microsoft account. And do note that you can also log in with your email. Since I signed up to Adobe Firefly using my Google account, I'm gonna select on Google. You guys select on the button by which you used to sign up to Adobe Firefly. I'm gonna select the account, and as you can see, I'm being signed in to my account. It might take a few seconds, and as you can see, I've successfully logged into my Adobe Firefly account. I'm gonna verify that right now. At the very top, you're gonna see something like your profile icon. Simply click on it, and there I am. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to Adobe Firefly. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.